Hi everyone, my name is Erin Tung and I'm a family nurse practitioner here at the Florida Center for Hormones. And today I wanted to talk with you a little bit about age-related diseases and optimizing your hormone levels. So first, I will tell you one of the most common repeated scenarios that I experience on a daily basis is my new patient intakes. A lot of times the symptoms that they come in experiencing are thinning hair, changes in their skin, their nails, they're having fatigue, they're having brain fog, they're unable to focus, they're having really low libido or no sex drive whatsoever. They are definitely not sleeping, or it's very interrupted sleep, or they're up a lot during the night and their brain is just going. A lot of times they may have joint aches or joint pains that they didn't have. And just, overall, they're feeling just this lack of wellness and this vitality. And they always say to me, they're like, Erin, what is wrong? Like, I keep going to conventional doctors and everybody keeps telling me I'm normal, but I don't feel good. And at the clinic, at the Florida Center for Hormones, that's what we do. We understand the difference between normal and optimal. Now, we'll talk about that in a minute, but first, those symptoms that I just said, when was the last time that you heard a group of teenagers, just sitting around a table complaining that, oh, my joints are hurting me, or, I don't have a sex drive. Like, I don't even think about sex. Ugh, sex, yuck, or, oh my gosh, I can't sleep. No. And let me ask you another question. Why is it that teenagers are not complaining about the same stuff that we are complaining about 35, 40, 45, 50, and on and on and on? Why do they not complain about the same stuff that we complain about? Well, I can tell you, it is because they have optimal hormone levels. And that is something, again, that we do here at the Florida Center for Hormones. We optimize hormones. Now, if you come to me and you give me this long list of symptoms and I look at your hormone levels, right? Now, I could certainly agree with your primary care. Yeah, they are in the normal range. And you feel terrible. So would you like to be normal or would you like to be optimal? I would definitely like to be optimal. And I think you would too. So that list of symptoms that I was talking about, those are symptoms of age-related diseases. And I'm sure now you're kind of putting it together and you're like, okay, Erin, I get it. Yeah, as our hormones decline over time, we start to get symptoms of age-related diseases, not because we're getting old and we just accept getting old. No, it's because our hormones are declining and they're not supporting how we used to feel when we were teenagers and we had these optimal hormone levels. That's why we're experiencing those symptoms. So I have this little sign on my desk. If you come and you see me, you're going to see it's like right near my lamp and it says, healthy aging is possible. And there's an exclamation point at the end of that statement because it really is possible. I don't want you to feel like you have to sit there and suffer or just deal with these symptoms because, oh, I'm just getting older and that's just how it is. No, not at all. So come in and see us and let me help you age very healthy. Okay? And again, my name is Erin Tung, nurse practitioner at the Florida Center for Hormones. I look forward to working with you. Thank you so much and have a great day.